we're gonna upgrade our security.
How to wire, how-to video, how to make your own, how to make your own hardtop part, how to change the oil, how to fix taillight problems, how to install, how to do a complete tune-up. I'm going to show you how to do that.
Like I said, we're going to add a little bit of extra security to the cargo area here in the back of Project Dirty Willy. This is the cargo cover. I can't remember the exact name of what it is, but it's from Tuffy Security Products. And if you remember, I did a couple videos on some of their other products. Like before, I'm pretty sure, like before, I'll have to go back and check, but I'm pretty sure the other products were kind of lacking in the instruction department, and this one is no exception. This is the cover. You can see that it is hinged, and that's just kind of to store it, I guess, and to aid a little bit in the installation, because once you actually get this in here, it doesn't hinge once it's inside the vehicle. This is just going to be a really quick and short, right to the point of how to install this, and it's really, really easy. The only thing you really need is a T30. Now that we've got the bags off the back of the seat, we're going to go ahead and fold our seat forward. This is a really, really easy install, like I said. All we need to do is take a T30 and remove these two T30 bolts down here. Set those out of the way. I'm actually going to set them up there so I don't lose them. Now we just need to get our cover. You'll want to bring it in folded and kind of lift up and over, and then as you're coming in, you're just going to hold onto this front part and kind of unfold, and then watch your fingers on this back side here, because you will get pinched, but you'll see it'll line up right in here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I'll show you here in just a second. You get that seated in there. And then you can hinge this back and kind of push down. And what you're trying to do is get these tabs to go underneath the plastic right here. But what you want to do is lift up on this plastic a little bit, kind of get your fingers in here and try not to pinch yourself, and pull this forward. I don't think I can do this side without blocking your view. And if you're having a hard time getting this piece of plastic to lift, you can lift this up and try to get in here, and that will make it a little easier to get the plastic lifted, but it'll also make it harder to get your fingers back there to pull that forward. But once you get it started under the plastic, you can come around to the other side and you can just push it the rest of the way in. And you should see that your holes will line up. There we go. And then you just bolt your T30s back down. And then, if everything is aligned correctly, you can still open your cubby cover. And I did an install video of this, and you'll remember in the video I liked this, but I didn't really like the name cubby cover. But now that is installed, let me get the camera moved around and I can show you what it looks like when it's all closed up. So here is your storage cover. It completely seals off this area back here and gives you a cover. And then when you shut your gate, you get a completely sealed area. And I want you to watch this rubber seal right here. This is really nice that it seals it off. You can see how that squishes in right there and seals it. You can see over here that you have your cargo area all sealed off, and then over there it has some rubber seals. It has them here as well, and you should still be able to use your seat. I'm gonna have to open the gate to get the tire out of the way. This isn't, you know, the most secure thing in the world, but I would say it's one of the most secure things that you're going to be able to get, you know, pre-built for the Jeep. Tuffy makes some good products. I know I did a review of their glove box, and I wasn't a big fan of the glove box, but I did like the cubby cover, and I do like this. It does say that you can put weight up on this. It is pretty hefty, so I think you can put some weight here. And it has tabs that kind of go up under here. So yeah, there is a little bit of a gap, but you can't really pry this up. And that's just a quick how to install the Tuffy cargo cover. I'm not quite sure what the exact name is. I'll leave the model number and the name and stuff in the description. But yeah, I really like this product. So if you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers or you're new to the channel, make sure to go into my channel and check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different videos in there. You can get caught up on all the other stuff that's been done to this Jeep. I've got all kinds of different stuff. So just make sure to go in there and check that out. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.